Hi children, good morning to all. How are you children? Are you fine? Yes. I hope that you are all staying safe at home. Children, don't go outside. If you go outside, you must wear the mask. Okay children, this is mask. You wear the mask. You must sanitize your hands. Okay, you must wash your hands with soap also. Children, be safe, be careful. In last class you answered very well children. Looks you are very interested in listening to English. Okay children, good. Have you bag with you children? Okay, get your textbook, pen and pencil. Okay, now I will show you a reading passage on the chart. You open your textbook, page number 3. You can find this reading passage in that textbook, page number 3. Okay children, look at the picture. Children, look at the chart carefully, read the passage, okay? While you are reading the passage, you note down the hard words in your notebook, okay children? While you are reading that passage, you must note down the hard words in your notebook. Okay children, have you read the passage? Have you read the passage? Okay, have you understood the passage? Good. Did you write the hard words in your notebook? Say children. Okay, good. Now let us discuss about hard words which are in the passage. Okay children, say the hard words. Good. Moving. What is this meaning? Look here children. The driver starts the bus. The bus is moving now. The driver starts the bus. The bus is now moving. Okay children. Next say the another word. Good. Stop. Okay. Have you ever gone to the village in the bus? Okay, good. When you are on the stage, you raise your hand for the bus. You raise your hand for the bus. What happened? The driver stops the bus. Okay. The driver stops the bus. Then you get into the bus. Okay children. Stop, stop, stop. You raising your hand. Stop, stop, stop. Good. Next say the another word children. Please. You are very hungry. There is nothing to eat in your home. What happened? You go to your mummy. Mummy, 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 please do something to eat. I am very hungry. Please do something for eat, mummy. Okay, children? Okay, next. If you have no pen with you, if you have no pen with you, what you do? Hey Raju, Raju, please, I have no pen. Please give me one pen, you ask. Okay, this you use when you request. Okay, children, please give me glass of water. Okay, good. Say the another word, children. Say the another word. Going. Look here children, what is going on? See the picture. The children are going to school. Look at the picture. The children are going to school. Good. Very good. Did you understood it? Nice. Next. What is the hard word? Good. Shout. What does this mean? If you are playing at the outside of the home, if you are playing at the outside of the home, your mom calls you. Oh, Raju, where are you? Oh, Raju, where are you? Come fast. We are going outside. What is your mother doing here? Your mother is calling you loudly. Saying loudly, calling loudly is shout, shouting. Your mother is shouting on you. Oh Raju, where are you? Come fast, come fast. Okay, children? Good. Now you note down the hard words again in your notebook. All of you. Now I am reading hard words once again. Look the chart. Shout, moving, stop, please, going. Okay. My dear children, now it's a time for rhyme. Let us enjoy the rhyme and play.
Start. A B C D dancing time. A B C D dancing time. E F G H hooping time. I J K L learning time. M N O P playing time. Q R S T story time. UVW writing time. XYZ is jolly 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 time.
Now I will read the passage for you children. Okay, you look and listen carefully. Okay children, the van was moving. Stop, stop, Salim uncle, please stop, shouted Abhi. Stop, stop, Abhi is coming, shouted the children. Salim, the van driver, stopped the van. Abhi got into the van. Loo, the van was going to the Jew. Pom, pom, pom. Did you understand the passage, children? Now? Okay, good. Now let us discuss some questions on this reading passage. Okay? Where is the van going, children? Yes, the van is going to the Jew. The van is going to the Jew. Where are the children? Where are the children? Good. The children are in the bus. The children are in the bus. Did Abhi is in the bus now? Say children. Why did Abhi shout? Say children. Why did Abhi shout? Very good. The bus is moving. The bus is moving. Okay, good. Oh, very good. Abhi is coming late. So he is shouting. Stop, stop, stop. Good. Next question. Were the children looked at Abhi? Were the children looked at Abhi? Say, yes. Children looked at Abhi. Children looked at Abhi and shouted, "Oh, van driver, stop, stop. Abhi is coming." What they said? "Oh, van driver, stop, stop. Abhi is coming." Good. Next question. Did the van driver stops the bus? Say children, did the van driver stop the bus? Yes, good. The van driver stopped the bus. The van driver stopped the bus. Good. Will the boy Abhi get into the bus? Will Abhi get into the bus? Good. Abhi got into the bus. Abhi got into the bus. What is the name of the driver? What is the name of the van driver? Okay, the van driver name is Salim. The van driver name is Salim. Very good. Children, can you name the children who are in the bus? Can you name the children who are in the bus? Okay, good. Is Sweetie going to the zoo with Abhi? Okay, is Sweetie going to the zoo with Abhi? Yes, good. Sweetie is going to the zoo with Abhi. Okay, children, did the teacher allow the Sweetie into the bus? Say, did the teacher allow the Sweetie into the bus? Okay, the teacher allowed the Sweetie into the bus. How the children feel looking at the Sweetie? Say children, how the children feel looking at the Sweetie? Yes, the children are very happy to looking the Sweetie. The children are very happy looking the Sweetie. Were the children played with the Sweetie? Were the children played with the Sweetie? Okay, good. The children played with the Sweetie. Where are the children going? Come on, say children. Are they going to school? Say, no, very good. Are they going to hospital? No, very good. Are they going to railway station? No, very good children, good. The children are going to the zoo. The children are going to the zoo. Have you ever gone to zoo, children? Have you ever gone to zoo, children? Yes, very good. The zoo is very beautiful to see. The zoo is very beautiful to see, children. You answered very well, children, all of you. I think that you are all understood this reading passage. Okay?
Children, look at the chart. Now I will read, you listen and look carefully. Children are in the van. They are going to the zoo. Abhi is taking Sweetie with him. The driver's name is Salim. The van was going to the zoo. The driver stopped the van.
Bye, children. We will meet in next class. Thank you.